Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to navigate Google Jamboard via the web. First, you need to know that when you're accessing Jamboard on the web, it has the most limited options available. For you to have the best experience using Jamboard, it is recommended that you use its app via an iOS device, an Android device, or a Chromebook that is accessible to the Play Store. Once you create a new jam via the web, the first thing that you will notice is the toolbar tab menu here, or the menu selector here. The first option is the pen menu. You can select different types of pens. The next option is the eraser. So I can go in and I can erase content on my frame. And if I wanted to, I can go back to my pen selector and select a different pen so you can see the difference of the thickness. The next icon is the color palette menu. You can select a different color and use that pen, and you will be able to have that color on your frame. Another option is the sticky note menu. When you click on the sticky note, you will be able to select different colors for your notes and add a note to it. And what I'm going to do is use the selector tool to take the sticky note and move it over. Once I select it, I can rotate my sticky note as well, in addition to edit, duplicate, or delete it. Next, what I want to do is I want to add to my to-do list. So I'm going to change my color of my pen, and I'm going to add to my list. All right. The next thing that I want to show you is the More Actions menu, which is the three-dot menu up at the top right. This option, this menu, will allow you to rename the jam. Once I rename it, my name will appear at the top left corner. I can add collaborators to my jam so that I can have multiple people working on this jam at the same time. I can download this jam as a PDF, and it will save it to the files folder or your downloads folder on your computer. I can open it up, and my PDF file is created. The next option is I can save this frame as an image. Again, it will download it to my Files app or the download folder on your computer, and you will be able to open it up as an image, as I'm showing you right now. The next option is remove. I can delete the jam if I wanted to. And what I want to show you next is that you're able to share this jam just like you would with any other Google Doc or Google file. The only thing is that you can only give people access to edit or view the jam. There's no option to allow them to comment on the jam. I hope you found this screencast helpful.